guys, we're out in Barstow and we're taking a pit stop real quick to pick up some lunch. That's why the driver is not here. And we also have our buddy's XJ over there. And basically we're taking 2 XJs out there. We're gonna do a little bit of off-roading, which is actually pretty fun in this thing. As a passenger, I don't really have to worry about anything. So we have the back packed up with a bunch of guns and targets, and we brought a little stove. If it gets really cold, we're gonna make hot cocoa, but the weather as it is right now seems really nice. It's not that cold. I'm wearing pants inside my pants, so it should be pretty good. Thing. I think we already got to 0. Okay. Brass. Because this gun is a prissy bitch. Finally. I hope we make paper. Alright, let's check it out. Fancy spotting scope. Alrighty, so we're zeroing my rifle. The targets are way over there. First zero was not very good. We almost didn't make paper. We made it on the cardboard, thank God. So at least we knew where we were shooting. But we're gonna try again. We'll probably, hopefully get a little closer.
It's 12.
God. Got me. This is why you wear iPro. Moving.
That's a good idea.
I thought I was getting close, and then I clicked it a few times, and I was not close anymore. Here's the targets right here. We started down here. Right there. And then we went all the way up here. And then we came down to here. And then now we're like here somewhere. I'm gonna put a new piece of paper on and hopefully that'll work out. Oh, a little frustrated, but we'll be okay. Ah, looks like it's lunchtime. Sandwiches! Thumbs up sandwiches.
So, how do you eat it? That's awesome.
So little.
I love it.
It's tiny.
How do you even done this? Hang on, Casa.
It's like shooting a popper.
Like a party favor?
Yeah. Ah! My tiny little hands are trying to grip it. We're pretty much done for the day. We're just cleaning up. My face. I was shooting my
pants?
I was shooting my rifle so much like my face started.
Guys, I can't find my pants.
And Joe can't find his pants. After zeroing my rifle, I tried to shoot at some steel that we had at about the same range, and I feel like I still have to aim a little bit to the left.
I need help.
I think we're gonna have to zero it just a little bit more. And then I shot my handgun a little bit, and the range is cold. Joe's ruining my video. This is his Jeep, by the way. Check it out. Hello, Mr. Jeep. Hello, two Jeeps. I shot my pistol a little bit, basically shooting from the holster.
I can't get it with this 22 LR. I can't even see where the shots are going. Ooh, like 2 inches to the right at the base. That's it.
I need a lot of practice, but it was fun. Can't wait to do it again. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!